During these unprecedented times, safety is of the utmost importance right now. As Access Garage Doors continues to assist communities across America as an essential business, we also recognize the great responsibility we carry each day. At every Access Garage Doors location, all across America, there is a local small business owner within your community continually working hard to find new ways to protect our customers and our employees as America changes. With today's challenges, garage door repair or replacement should not have to be complicated. That's why we offer a no-contact garage visit. Not ready for a garage visit? Then request an Access Visualizer quote available on our website. We will superimpose new suggested doors on your home and send you a bid package within 24 hours. That's just a couple of Access advantages. During these times, trust the name that has become synonymous in America for quality and reliability. Access. It's what we do.